Business owners, if you're struggling to get more clients, I want you to listen to me, because only an 8-year-old can teach you the truth about selling. And it's not what you think. It's not about funnels or follow-ups. It's not about pitching perfectly or writing some clever sales page. It's about belief and being willing to be seen. Hit the like button if this is already shifting your perspective. Let me take you back to when I first learned how to sell without even knowing I was selling. I saw something I wanted, a toy, a car, a game. I asked my mom. Nope. I asked my dad. No. My grandma, my other grandma, my aunt, my uncle. No, no, no. But I didn't stop. I believed somebody would say yes. And eventually Grandpa did. That moment changed my life because I realized something nobody told me before. Sales is not about convincing people. It's about finding people. And if you've ever heard no too many times in business, drop a comment and let me know. You're not alone. I thought sales was hard until I learned that sales isn't a battle, it's a search. It's not a test of how persuasive you are. It's a test of how many people know you exist. I didn't get the toy because I convinced Grandpa. I got it because I kept asking until the right person saw the request. So I started my snow shoveling business. Same principle. Knock on enough doors, you'll find your yes. People slammed doors, people laughed at me, people said I was too young, but guess what? They didn't matter because I only needed one yes to get started. If you're still with me, subscribe. This channel is for people like you who are ready to become unmissable. Here's the truth about sales nobody tells you. Sales is visibility. Sales is positioning. Sales is belief in motion. If nobody knows you, nobody can buy from you. If nobody sees you, you could be the best in the world and still struggle. That's why I say, visibility is the highest form of sales leverage. One video can reach 1,000 potential buyers. One message can work while you sleep. One clear offer can turn a stranger into a client. But most business owners are stuck asking the same few people, instead of building a system that helps new people see them every single day. If this is clicking, give this video a like. It helps more people discover this message. Let me make this real for you. Imagine if, instead of knocking on doors like I did with snow shoveling, you built a visibility system that knocked on doors for you, a system that shared your message daily, positioned you as the expert, made the right people come to you. That's what the 1% of business owners do. They don't hustle for every lead. They build visibility flywheels that attract clients on autopilot. The truth is, sales is not dead, but cold selling is. You don't need to chase. You need to be found. You need to be felt. You need to be visible. So if you've been wondering why your business isn't growing the way it should, it's not because your offer is bad, it's because your offer is hidden. The solution: turn your belief into action, turn your knowledge into visibility, turn your voice into value. Don't hide behind random posts. Don't wait to be discovered. Don't just sell, be seen. If you've ever said, "I just need more clients," you don't need more effort. You need more visibility. That's why I created the 21-day visibility challenge. It's for business owners who are great at what they do, but hidden online. We'll build your confidence, your client attracting message, and your visibility engine in just 3 minutes a day. Click the link in the pinned comment to join. Don't wait to be discovered. Decide to be seen. I was 8 when I learned how to sell. But now I know something even bigger. Visibility sells for you when you build it right. So start building, because the world can't buy from what it can't see.